Doug Stone, Executive Realty in Westboro again with Rich, A1 Foundation. And Rich, I'm selling the house right now, as a matter of fact, where they've got several cracks in the floor, the concrete floor in the basement. And they're long and they're not too deep, they're just really almost like hairline cracks. So the home inspector said they should be addressed, but to me, they look superficial. So what do you think?
Well, I'm gonna tell you something about floors. I could pull the whole floor out and the house would stand up just fine. So it's a non-structural issue. What he's probably thinking about is moisture coming up, cold air coming up, possibly insects coming up. But it doesn't affect the structural integrity. In residential construction, when they pour the cement floor, they don't usually put the lines in it like you see lines on a walkway or a driveway,
Yeah.
or the big box stores has lines.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, those lines are controlled cracks, so you're less likely to get lines. But if you're selling a house, especially if you're selling a house, you want to try to have things look as nice as possible. And by repairing them, it helps take the sin away.
So how are you gonna repair that? Because that's different from like an injection
Exactly.
repair in the wall.
Yep. We use a hybrid epoxy-based material. We usually have to clean out that crack. Sometimes we have to put a sand down there. So, because the concrete is, if you're lucky, is 3 inches, and then the soil underneath settles, so there's a gap. So we have to put a sand, so we bring it to the bottom of your cement floor, and then we use the hybrid epoxy. It's a 2-part product, and it actually chemically goes into the pores of the concrete and welds it together. And it will be gray. Won't match the exact color gray, but it makes it look better.
And is that warranted?
Can't warranty a floor crack because we don't know what's underneath it. But once it's in there, it's in there good. If it ever does separate, we usually come out and we'll
And how do you dig out that crack? Do you use a machine?
sometimes a machine, sometimes a hand tool.
I see.
Because we don't have to dig it, real deep, just enough so we can get our sand, fine sand down.
Okay, well, that sounds great. Thanks.
My pleasure.